About to flex on y'all. Game on. Let's get it. Haters hate, skaters skate. Born to hustle, built to last. Yo, pass the mic. I'm ready to preach. Not a cloud in the sky. Time to make some brawlers cry. More brawlers, more problems. I bring the flavor. I'm not short, just vertically efficient. I might be small, but I'm a big deal. My beats are straight from the streets. O to the L to the L-I-E, representing the Skate Beats family. So fresh, so clean, got moves you never seen. So fresh and so clean. Yeah, ain't no cap, I'm that dude. Haha, today was a good day. Ollie in the house. Respect the grind. Ooh, too fresh. Y'all can't keep up. Ain't nobody dope past me. So fresh. So fly. So fresh, so fly, in the place to be. I'm icy. Y'all just salty. Y'all basic. I'm boss level. I stay lit. You dim, bruh. I'm the realist. I'm so fresh. Can't touch this. See ya. Wouldn't wanna be ya. Oh, you just got Ollie, bro. Whoa, I flip, you flop. Oh, I got game. You just lame. Busting moves and breaking rules. Ain't nothing but a brawl thing, baby. Riding high, attack from the sky. Yeah, catch me if you can, fools. Skate or die. Fresh, fly, and touching the sky. King of the concrete. Watch me pop this Ollie fam. Jump up and get down. Nobody gonna hold me down. Nobody gonna take my crown. Who turned off the light? Aha! Don't leave me in the dark. I need a holiday. Bruh, I'm off my game today. Time to preach to the choir of angels. Got caught slipping. Oh, got dropped harder than my mixtape. Bruh! Game recognized game. Oh, time to hustle. Check yourself before I wreck yourself. Oh, you better be ready, cause I'm coming for ya. It's a hard knock life. Hey, I'm preaching, dog. Oh, that hurt more than a diss track.